How's it going, YouTube? And welcome to today's video. Today we're back here at Prairie City out of Rancho Cordova, and we're back here at the Metalcloak Skillz Day.
When we were young, we had it all. And something deep inside tried to hit me, standing in the sunlight of the sea. When we were young, we had it all. And something deep inside tried to hit me. When we were young, our hearts were wild and free.
So we're doing the Fall Metalcloak Skillz Day, and this is the second time that they've ran it. They've been doing one in the spring for several years now, and it was such a big hit that they decided that they were going to try to do two a year, one in the spring, one in the fall. Now this will teach people who just got a brand new Jeep that have never put it in four-wheel drive what their Jeep is capable of. And we've got everything here from really easy all the way up to something that is going to be challenging even for the most experienced of drivers. As always, if you enjoy this video, please hit that subscribe button in the bottom right hand corner.
Good morning, welcome to Skillz Day. This is our 7th year doing it and our 9th Skillz Day. And I just want to say thank you first for coming. So first off, welcome to Skillz Day. The whole point of you being here is that you are new or inexperienced or want to learn about Jeeping. How many of you bought your Jeep just in this last year? Beautiful, perfect. When we first did this, I love telling this story because our very first year doing this, 7 years ago, I was sitting here in June doing this, talking to somebody, and after everything was done, some guy walked over and said, hey, you know, I got a question. I've had my Jeep for 3 months and I don't know how to put it in four-wheel drive. I said, perfect. You're the exact reason why. And it really solidified for me that this is needed. Because
Pretty basic here. What we're going to do is floor low.
Okay.
You have, are you lockers or no lockers? Are you Rubicon or Sport?
I'm a summer.
Okay, so no lockers. So just floor low, and you're just going to serpentine these, go left, and then back right. Yeah, neutral, and then pull back hard. There you go.
All of the talk that didn't pay off, which you in a dash, wondering what in the world did he do or say to wind up in this place where he can't find a
So the purpose of this obstacle is once you post up here, you're not gonna be able to see the trail in front of you.
Yeah.
You're gonna be looking straight ahead, nice, brown building, that kind of stuff. So when that happens out on the trail, or even here, for example, you have a couple options. Option one is slowly press the obstacle to where you can actually see and pick your line. Option two, get out, take a look. You have him get out, for instance, he's making you drive, leave him. And then option three, of course, is to have a spotter.
Now he's thinking about them, wondering why, remembering when in a daze, wondering what in the world could he say to rest these blues and return back from where he came to explain. Talk to the girl who had told him that he loved her so that he couldn't speak anymore.
What'd you think of it?
That was a blast. That was my first time.
First time?
Freaking awesome.
Adrenaline going?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah? That's what it's all about.
Freaking awesome.
It's a Rubicon, you should just walk right up it.
it's just a sticker.
Oh.
Adds 5 horsepower though.
you think?
It wasn't as bad as I thought, but I'm still slightly terrified. Because the man is going to yell at me if I'm not the one driving coming downhill.
High five.